showed up, instructed to put into the oven. Which one is real?
I think I'll go with Jesse for the first one.
You're going to go with Jesse Klein's story, the story of the bar that turned into a church. And to find out the correct answer, we spoke to someone directly involved with the 400 rabbits.
Because of new regulations in the UK, we sent off an application to be classified as a place of worship, the Church of the 400 Rabbits.
Congratulations, Bob, you got it right!
Yeah, Bob, you have graduate level critical thinking skills.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You guessed right, earning a point for Jesse. And you've won our prize, the voice of your choice on your voicemail.
Thank you for my point. Bye, Bob.
Take care. And now the game where people on top of the world spend a little time down here with us. Olympian Lindsey Vonn put on her first pair of skis at the age of 2. Before long was racing down mountains at 80 miles an hour, racking up win after win as one of the world's best downhill skiers. She is now the host of Amazon's The Pack, which is like The Amazing Race if you got rid of all the annoying people and replaced them with adorable dogs. Lindsey Vonn, welcome to Wait, Don't Tell Me.
Hey, guys. Thanks for having me.
So, Lindsey, a couple of questions. I've been skiing my whole life and I've never gotten that good. Now, you started at a young age. So do you remember when you were like, wow, I'm good at this and I could be the world champ?
It wasn't until I was a bit older. I actually was really slow when I was a kid. My coach actually made fun of me and called me a turtle. But it took a while for sure. And I wouldn't say that I knew that I was going to be anything good until I was probably 13 or 14 years old.
So when you realized you're going to be good, did you call that coach and be like, yo, it's Turtle, what's up, dude?
Ironically, he was my dad's coach as well. He's from Austria, so he kind of played it like he knew that I was going to be that good. He just like said it to kind of antagonize me. So
Tough love.
yes,
Yeah. So he turned around, he's like, I was trying to push her the whole way. I knew she was going to be very much champion.
yeah. I always knew man.
Did your coach ever set up like a fake rivalry with your dad? Was he like, oh yeah, your father, he couldn't do this?
No, it would be like I think he would beat your father. He would raise your father. You would for sure beat your father. It was like
I love that everyone just went all in on this accent. And we've just agreed that that's what it is.
it sounds similar. I would say we're all not very good, but
You know, I watched your documentary on HBO, which I highly recommend. I always say you're inspired by greatness and mediocrity. So when I watch you go down that hill, I'm like, oh, I'm going to go do that. And then I get on the hill, I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that. But there's times when you're going down, what was the fastest you've ever gone? Like 80 something?
yeah, I mean the fastest I've ever been clocked was 84, but I would imagine it's somewhere a little bit above that.
Holy moly.
I
So
honestly
now,
don't think I've ever even been clocked going 84 in my car. I have a Prius.
but no, so here's I got two questions about going 84 miles an hour. First of all, I've taken falls on ski slopes going like 30 miles an hour, and as I'm falling, I'm like, oh no. You know, you're going 84 and you're trying to win. What's going through your mind when you've taken a fall at a high speed?
You try to be like, you see the fence coming, and I always think like, I got this, and then I don't got it, and I'm literally doing the splits and, tangled in the fence like a fish. But yeah, you just try to go limp, because the more you tense up, the more likely it is you're going to pull something or break something. But it's not fun, I can tell you that it's really not fun. I always have the analogy that skiing is like, when you're going fast up and down the highway, you stick your head out the window. That's kind of how it feels when you're skiing. But then if you crash, it's just like you're driving down the highway and then you jump out of the car.
Oh my God. And then you slide for like half a mile, but you just got to go Gumby. You got to be like Pee Wee Herman. You got to do.
You gotta let it go. Go with the flow.
Didn't your dad try to push you to do other sports?
I mean, I tried a lot of other